Hello everyone, my name is Cholden, working for Rubefly Air Services as the CEO. I welcome you all to book with us.
Hello everyone, I'm Sarah Abuk and I work with Rubefly Air Services. I welcome you all to book with us at your convenience, and our tickets are affordable. With Rubefly you can reach out to us any time of the day and we'll be ready to serve you at your convenience. You can reach out to me anytime in Juba, either at AA Boutique or Airport Road, next to Panorama Hotel. Thank you.
Hello everyone, Happy New Year. My name is Lual Mainadid, the Managing Director of Rubefly Air Services. Rubefly Air Services is a tour and travel company that provides affordable tickets at your convenience. We are located in Nairobi at the International House, first floor. We also have 2 offices in Juba, one at the Baping Business Center near the bus station, and another office at the AA Boutique on the UNDP Road. We invite you to book with us and we appreciate each one of you who has booked with us. Thank you.